I was not good in English, so I just started learning English some other s- by talking with some other person so that I can improve myself in English.
Okay, okay, amazing. Good to know that. So, just to give you an heads up, that definitely this is one of the nice platforms and extremely knowledgeable platforms wherein you can improve your communication, the way of talking,
Okay.
the words what you should use, and the words which you should not use while communicating to someone. So this can be a platform which will be helpful to you, but nevertheless keeping in mind that you have to give your 100%.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. My name is Kirti, and you can call me Kirti instead of saying me, ma'am.
Okay.
So, Krishna, can we quickly know something about you?
Yes, my name is Sai Krishna. I'm from Andhra Pradesh and
Okay,
I'm
nice.
currently studying in BTech second year, computer science
Okay,
and engineering.
great. And which college are you in? Which college are you in, Krishna?
Institute of Technical Educational and Research in Bhubaneswar.
Okay. One moment. I'm sitting outside. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Great to know, Krishna. And it's nice to know you, especially that you're a
Okay.
BTech student. It makes even nicer. So I will tell
Okay.
about myself. I'm Kirti Gupta. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and my current place of residing is Bangalore. I'm a working professional with the MNC, and I have approximately 6 years of experience into finance field. However, I have been teaching students and taking English vocabulary communication and personality development sessions throughout some year now. So it's been almost 2, 3, 4 years in the line since I've been taking this. Now I
Okay.
want to know, what is the reason you have enrolled in Zestling, or have you come forward for a demo session?
I was watching one video in the YouTube
Okay,
that ClapGo meetings I have seen. One YouTuber suggested to me. While I am watching, I have read the comments also. In that, it is written that Jestling is also one good platform. We can prefer that one also. One member
okay.
is written there. So I just got to know about the Jestling platform. While I am
All right.
checking through Clapigo platform, I got to know about this also. This platform also.
Just to correct you in between while I was checking. Sorry that I had to correct you, but it's in my blood right now. So I was checking since you were doing something in past, not currently. As of
Okay.
now, you are talking to me. So you
While
have
I
to
was
say, I
checking.
am talking to you. But if you talk about past, it is always to be was and not am.
Okay.
So I think you didn't get my question correctly, Krishna. My question was why and not how. It was why.
I was not good in English, so I just started learning English some other s- some other person so that I can improve myself in English.
Okay. Okay. Amazing. Good to know that. So just to give you an heads up, that definitely this is one of the nice platforms and extremely knowledgeable platforms wherein you can improve your communication, the way of talking,
Okay.
the words what you should use, and the words which you should not use while communicating to someone. So this can be a platform which will be helpful to you, but nevertheless keeping in mind that you have to give your 100%. Now,
Okay.
how Zestling is playing a vital role here is it is giving you 15 minutes of day so that
Okay.
you can Do it according to your time, according to your convenience. All right. Now,
Can't
can
we
you get
register
me?
with some mail or in website, in Jestling website?
Yes, you can do that. We have Mukul also in the call, so he will be the right
Okay,
person to guide you on it. You can call him up
okay,
after this session and you can take a guidance from him. Now, Krishna,
okay.
can you elaborate something more about your studies and your hometown so that I get to know that, okay, this is where you fall currently, your speaking skills, where is it exactly?
Okay. I'm
Carry
living
on.
in Srikakulam city or district, and in
Okay.
that I'm living in small village named Sompeta, which is near to Odisha, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh border. It is,
Okay. So you are
and I am preparing for GATE currently, GATE exam,
amazing.
so that I was unable to. I do not get any other time, so that I can do anything, means like watching web series or doing something stuff things. So
Okay.
I'm just trying to improve my English so that it will be helpful to me in my future.
Okay. So now there is one thing, Krishna, which you mind if I call you Krishna? Is that okay with you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. All right. So, Krishna, see, there are two things. One is English, what you know, and the other is English, what you speak. While
Okay.
writing, you may think that yes, if you check yourself while writing, you will see, yes, I have written it correct. But at the same time, are you speaking correct? However, I think you can communicate well because the words you are placing here and there, some grammatical errors are completely
Yeah,
fine
I
and
have
it
some
will
mistakes in grammar.
correct. So, grammatical errors that will be eradicated as gradually you speak, you try to communicate. So, that will be gradually eradicated. But the problem is, I feel like that yes, your English is fine. You are able to communicate. More important that you are able to respond. That is the most important thing while communicating. Able to respond, you in able to speak anything. Now, where
Okay.
the issue lies is you need to brush it up. You need to
Yeah.
use good vocabulary. You need to eradicate grammatical errors, and you need to be good with pronunciations. So I feel
Okay.
like these three areas, if we cover it up, you will be extremely good enough to talk. I think it will be
Okay.
tremendously useful for you then.
Yeah.
So I would just tell you in just how would this wrestling work. It would work with me. It would work according to your needs and requirements, wherein I will
Okay.
be teaching you English. Nevertheless, also coming up with certain scenarios which will be helpful in your day to day life, in your activities, what you do, you go to college, you go to outside, meet people. So that is how we will combine it with maybe one-on-one sessions, maybe group sessions, so that it is easy for you to communicate. Also, there will be role plays wherein you see if you go and talk to someone, sometimes you might not be able to know, okay, if I go to maybe grocery shopping, what should I say in English? So that's how
Okay.
role plays will be. Even it will be for your college. So once there is a professor, example me, there is you, and then what you need to talk to your professor, your dean, or maybe your colleagues. So there will be these kind of activities as well. The live scenarios wherein you can understand that what and how to speak and what not to speak.
Okay.
And then once I see, yes, how good of a speaker you are, we will talk about your vocabulary enhancement. And I will tell you that, yes, these are the words you should use instead of using some basic words. And I'm pretty sure, considering your area of education, it will be really helpful for you.
Okay.
Okay, and I think your English is perfectly fine, Krishna. The more you speak, the more confident you be on whatever you're speaking. It is highly appreciable, and you will yourself feel that yes, I am able to speak, I am able to do. And here you will definitely find betterment. Any
Okay.
questions from your side?
No other questions.
No other questions. Okay. So I would like to ask you that what in your day you do. For example, if I ask you that how was your day till now, or what is your daily routine? So if you can elaborate
Okay.
in this in English.
Just before 2 days back, my exams was completed. My
Okay.
fourth semester exams were completed, and
Just to
now it
correct
is
you in between,
holidays.
it is exams. Exams. The way you
Exams.
say egg, you say egg, right? Egg,
Okay.
which you eat egg.
Okay.
So it's same way, exams. Okay.
Exams.
So it's just same way. There are a lot of errors which you have made. This one is just I'm correcting you because
Okay.
it is very evident.
Now it is holidays for us, so I'm having more free time and I'm preparing for GATE currently. So I'm trying to improve my English also. So I'm just checking myself which platform is the good for me to do conversation with good tutors so that I can improve very fastly. And today morning I started preparing for GATE from at 5 o'clock in the morning
Oh, oh,
for 2 to 3 hours.
okay.
After that, I have taken my lunch, sorry, breakfast, and fresh up and all those stuff. After that, again, after 1 hour break, I have started again preparing for
Great.
gate.
Great. So is it the full day you are just studying? Is it like that?
Yeah, approximately like that. But before
Hmm.
8 only, after 8, I do not study anything out
Okay.
of all the devices.
Oh, I think too much of studies is also good. But
Yeah,
just to correct you in one or two sentences, however, I am not correcting you and I will not be correcting you for certain point of time because first thing what we want is you to speak more and then
yeah,
correction
okay.
and then vocabulary enhancement. So we go step by step. But just to correct you, for example, you said I had my breakfast. Now it's not breakfast, it's breakfast. How you pronounce it as
Breakfast.
breakfast. The
Okay,
concept behind breakfast was that once you eat your dinner and the morning you wake up, you will be fasting for that much of time. But that fasting has to be broken up. So that's why it was called
okay.
break fast. But when you pronounce it, it's called breakfast. What's it called?
Breakfast.
Correct. Bingo. You got it right.
Okay.
So there were certain other errors, Krishna, and I feel like it's completely fine. For me, I would always like to speak, like to listen to you first, so that you speak more. The more confident you become, the more you will speak. And
I
then,
don't know the grammar properly, so I have to learn. I have to go
exactly,
through it. Yeah,
exactly.
my
So,
sentence
exactly there.
formation is not good at some points.
Exactly. And you know why is that so? Because the more you start speaking, the more you will come up with words. If I just say
Yeah,
one sentence, my mind will not evolve with different words, right? My mind will
yeah,
evolve with different words only when I speak a lot. And that's
yeah.
why we are here. We will first give you the platform to speak a lot. Then it will be, a piece of cake for you to speak in college, to speak
Okay,
among your friends, among your girlfriends, be it anything. So I think for me it was good, Krishna, and there were errors, but nevertheless, as I said, I will be correcting, but in a certain procedure. And if you like it and if you want to proceed with it, you can always contact Mukul after the session, and we
okay,
can carry on according to your requirements. It's not that I have a
okay,
general way of doing it. It will be according to your convenience, what you like to do. And it's raining. I
okay,
think I should head inside.
okay, okay,
Thank
okay.
you so much, Krishna. It was really nice talking to you.
Thank you.
And I hope to see you soon again, being one-on-one with me. And take care of
Okay,
yourself. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you, Mukul, for joining the call.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.